We have no option, but we have to raise. We will raise our flag. That is the Federation of Khasi State flag, known as Arpusan Hima.
The PA Sangma Foundation, PASF, hosted the inauguration and handing over ceremony of the People's College Grant in Aid Scheme to PASF Abong Noga College Tura at a Working Women's Hostel, AB Mission Compound Tura today. Speaking as chief guest, Thomas A. Sangma, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, emphasized the importance of strengthening educational infrastructure in the Garo Hills region. During the event, the appointment letters was formally handed over to faculty members, symbolizing the commencement of the scheme at Abong Noga College.
Members of PASF Foundation, and I'm very proud today to stand here and be the chief guest for the